Hello, this is Cinema 4D Quick Tips, and today we will show you how to create a brick wall with clonus honeycomb mode and destroy it using rigid body dynamics. First, create a brick wall on the floor. For this, create a cube by clicking on the cube icon, go to the Object tab and reduce the size Y and Z to 150 cm respectively. Check the fillet box and rename the cube to brick. Then create a cloner by clicking on the cloner icon. Make the brick a child of the cloner. Select the cloner in the Object Manager. Go to the Object tab. Change the mode from grid to honeycomb. Zoom out the default camera. Reduce the size width to 100 cm and size height to 200 cm. Increase the count width to 20 and rename the cloner to wall. Next, create a plane by clicking and holding on the cube icon and choosing plane from the pop-up palette. Go to the Object tab, increase the width and height to 10,000 cm and rename the plane to floor. After that, go to the front view in the viewport. Select the wall in the Material Manager. Lift the wall so that it is on the floor. To be more precise, in the Coordinate tab, set the PY property to 500 cm and return to the perspective view. Now create a sphere by clicking and holding on the cube icon and choosing sphere from the pop-up palette. Go to the Object tab, increase the radius to 200 cm and drag the sphere back and up so it is on the floor. To be more precise, in the Coordinate tab, set the PY property to 200 cm. Now let's apply bullet text to add dynamics to our scene. For this, right-click on the wall in the Object Manager, select Bullet Text, and click on Rigid Body. The Dynamics Body expression has appeared to the right of the sphere in the Object Manager. Thus, we have defined the wall as an object that cannot be deformed by forces and interact as a whole with other simulation objects and forces. Then, right-click on the floor in the Object Manager, select Bullet Text, and click on Collider Body. The Collider Body expression has appeared to the right of the plane in the Object Manager. Thus, we have defined the floor as obstacle. Next, right-click on the sphere in the Object Manager, select Bullet Text, and click on Rigid Body. Select the Dynamics Body expression to the right of the sphere in the Object Manager, go to the Dynamics tab, check the Custom Initial Velocity box, and set the initial linear velocity along the z-axis to 2000 cm. Extend the timeline to 120 frames and click on the Play Forwards button to see the result. As you can see, the bricks are collapsing as if they were not stuck together, but simply stacked on top of each other. Stop the animation and go to the start of the timeline. To make the simulation more realistic, let's apply the effect only to part of the wall, leaving the other part motionless. For this, select the wall in the Object Manager, click on the Dynamics Body expression to the right of the wall, open the MoGraph menu, and click MoGraph Selection. Select the centers of bricks you want to apply dynamics to, while holding the left mouse button. The centers of the selected bricks are colored yellow, and the MoGraph selection expression has appeared to the right of the wall and Dynamics Body expression in the Object Manager. After that, click on the Dynamics Body expression, go to the Dynamics tab, and drag the MoGraph selection expression to the second from above MoGraph selection field. Now click on the Play Forwards button. Stop the animation and go to the start of the timeline. Finally, let's color the scene. Open the Material Manager. Create a new standard material by going to Create menu, selecting Classic Material, and click on New Standard Material. Change the color of the material to red and apply the material to the wall. Then create another material, change its color to white, and apply it to the floor. Further, create a third material. Change its color to black and apply the material to the sphere. Close the Material Manager and press the Play Forwards button. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to the channel and put your finger up.